Make this for you, Taekwondo.
Okay. And
Right.
what's it called? Eggs Benedict.
Oh, it's called Eggs Benedict.
Benedict's fantastic. Right then, what are you going to do?
So, first, I want to get there some bacon.
Bacon, right? Fantastic.
Bacon is very tough, indeed. But you have to do...
You got some spaghetti first, haven't you? And some egg. That's what you're doing. Fantastic. Put it all
And
on
if I
there.
have a weird face, it doesn't matter.
That's fantastic, Rico.
But you
You
need
put-
to learn how to cook.
Yeah, that's
If
it.
you have a special dad, he's amazing.
I think that's me.
And it's just...
That's fantastic, Rico. But this is Benedictine with a twist, isn't it? It's got
I'm doing
spaghetti in
this
it.
on my own.
Tell me it's got spaghetti in it,
It's
Rico.
got spaghetti in it
Yeah, it's like
and
carbonara.
eggs in it, but it looks like just a little bit of I don't know.
Right.
But still, I'm gonna tip this in now. 'Cause it's hard.
So I finish it. Come here.
Right.
I'll finish it off.
So
That's plenty. Okay, Rico. Now what do you do, Oliver?
so now we get this sauce.
That's called hollandaise sauce,
This is
isn't it?
just a short one because
On top of the egg, yeah?
it's on top of the egg.
Wow, look at that. Plenty of it. Wow.
Put
That's
all of it
plenty
in.
enough. Wow, that's fantastic.
More.
Wow, that's really good.
Oh, now the eggs are on.
Okay. Wow.
Fantastic.
And now we get a bit garnish, Rico.
Garnish.
And what's it
This
called?
is-
Parsley, isn't it?
I'm just looking at it if I missed anything out now. So, this is wet garnish. So, that's how
That's
you
it.
make a egg Benedict.
Benedictine.
Benedict.
Fantastic. So can we have a picture with it now? You all eat together? Hey?